Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have for you our all-new 2022 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This boat is designed in a full black hull color, which you see behind me. It is a badged a 210, but it's actually 23 foot 9 inches overall length with the swim platform. So a great size boat for family, especially when your family's growing. Also have an 8'6" beam, so a very stable boat as well. Draft, you're looking less than 20 inches with the outboards up, so you can still get back into your tight areas behind Mason Bro and the other sandbars along Wrightsville Beach. So follow me back and we'll get on the boat and look at more detail. Welcome aboard our 2022 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. On the back we did an upgrade to a 200 Mercury with the white powder coat. Looks very sharp on the back of this black hulled boat. We also have the dune interior, and we did the matching sea deck in dune as well to really complement this nice flow throughout the boat. So with the engine being an outboard now, you've opened up all the storage space underneath. So really deep storage, and you're able to throw beach chairs in, tubes, coolers, everything you need. Everything drains out in here, so really easy. And then when you have this down, turns into a nice sun lounge, and then a pop-up reverse seat. So when your motor's down and you're anchored up out at your favorite sandbar, everybody can hang out in the back of this boat. And even with being an outboard, you still have some great swim platform area back here. As you walk through the transom, have storage underneath you the whole way, and then have a nice fixed ice box or fish box or anything in here with drain. And then a pop-out cooler here underneath the seat, and then more storage underneath the seat here. So Sea Ray is all about storage, very great for entertaining, and then seating for people, and then performance. So with having the water sports performance and mindset, you have a really nice ski top with bimini. You have a ski tow bar on top of here as well as on the back of the transom, and then this bimini top can fold up or take all the way off for maximum sun exposure. Also have a ski tow or ski locker underneath here, so you can put your stern anchor, everything else underneath there, all rubberwood matted with drains. As you get to the helm, we outfitted this with a 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter. We have a tilt steering wheel, great seating with a full 360-degree captain's chair as well as a co-pilot chair. You can also do an optional lounge, portside lounger if you wanted to on that end. Again, redundant storage everywhere, great storage here, and then as we go up through, have really nice lounge seating for everybody. So you can sit forward or reverse in these seats, got your speakers up here, everybody's relaxed and comfortable, and you also can get an optional bow filler cushion to create a great sun pad up here. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please give me a call, Chris Honig at 910-256-8100, and look forward to seeing you all soon. Thanks and have a great day.